said properties, Your Honor.
Of what properties?
The documents that relates to the ownership of the Chief Justice and the family, Your Honor.
Real estate property.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
We request, Your Honor, that we be given copy of this letter dated January 12, and we request that...
Is the prosecution denying that they request these documents? Huh?
Admitted, Your Honor.
So they admit it already. So just
we will just request for the marking, Your
just
Honor,
mark it.
because this is the first time that we're seeing this.
There's a Xerox copy here.
We request that the same be marked as Exhibit 218 for the defense, Your Honor.
Will I get those documents back, Counsel? Your Honor, I'm sorry.
We can just mark the photocopy, Your Honor, later.
Well, they have already admitted that they have written that letter. Will you kindly show it to them so that they will read it and put it into the record that that is the same letter that they wrote?
May we ask for an oral stipulation or confirmation from my esteemed colleague, Your Honor?
Admitted, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel.
That's the same letter that was written by the members of the prosecution.
That's correct, Your
All
Honor.
right. Mark it.
Meron pa bang liham, sulat o komunikasyon sa inyo na mas maaga pa rito sa January 12, 2012?
Galing kanino po, Your Honor?
Kahit kanino na nakiusap sa inyo tungkol dito sa usaping mga titulo sa pamilya ni Renato C. Corona or Chief Justice Renato C. Corona?
Before they officially made the request, Your Honor, there were several media practitioners who requested these very documents. They called me up, they went to the office, and requested, Your Honor.
Kailan po nangyari ito?
The first, around January 4, 5, those dates, Your Honor. Before the prosecution made a formal request to my office, Your Honor.
Ngayon, sinabi mong lumiham ka kay Congressman Neil C. Tupas Jr. na may petsang January 10, 2012. Ano po ba ang mga kasama kung meron man itong liham na ito? Meron bang mga kalakip ito na dokumento?
Meron po.
Ano-ano pong klase o anong uri ng mga dokumento po ito?
Certified copies po ng mga titulo po.
Ito po yung certified true copies ng mga titulong binanggit ng taga-usig na nakapangalan kay Renato Corona et al.
Opo.
Maaari niyo po lang bang ipaliwanag kung anong ibig sabihin ng et al. Dito?
Ang pagkaintindi ko po ay, ang et al. Ho ay ang pamilya ni Chief Justice, specifically
Sige po, patuloy
si
niyo po.
Mrs. Corona
Opo.
and the other children and in-laws. Kasi ho, yung isang anak ko is married at nakita ho parang Corona das Castillo po. So, in some properties po, may lumabas po na mag-asawa sila.
So, pati po mga in-laws, sinama na rin
Yung
sa pag-usisa nila sa inyo?
Son-in-laws po.
Son-in-law lang?
Yun hong asawa ni
Opo.
nung isa sa mga anak ni Chief Justice po.
So, ang sinasabi niyo po yung kasapi ng pamilya at son-in-law.
Opo.
Hindi ba yung etal ay at iba pa?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang ibig sabihin,
Yes, Your Honor.
for Renato C. Corona at Cristina Corona at iba pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Etal.
Paglilinaw lang, pag sinabing et al. Dito, o ang ibig sabihin at iba pa, ang sinasabi nyo ay yung mga kasapi ng pamilya at yung isang son-in-law niya. Tama po ba?
Yun ho ang pagkaintindi ko, Your Honor.
Ngayon, bilang sagot dito sa tanong sa inyo o pag-usisa sa mga dokumentong ito, maaari nyo pa po bang kilalanin ang mga dokumentong ito kung ito ipapakita ko sa inyo?
Yan hong mga
Itong,
certified copies.
ito pong pinadala nyo sa...
Opo.
Is there any question, issue about this? Or, is the prosecution denying that they have attached those documents to their letters?
We are not making an issue out of that, Your Honor.
You are not.
We are admitting, Your Honor.
You are admitting that those were attached to the letters.
That is correct, Your Honor.
They are admitting it already.
They are admitting only the attachment, Your Honor, but as to the contents, Your Honor, I will be able to show later from my questioning to the witness, Your Honor, that there are actually errors, except if the good Pañero will admit,
Will you
Your Honor,
show-
some
will you
of
show
the
the attachment?
inaccuracies here, Your Honor.
Counsel, will you show the attachment to the prosecution attached to their letter and find out whether those are the attachment that they have attached to that letter, and then find out if they will deny that the contents were not there at the time that they attached those pieces of paper. Come on. My God, you are going into a tedious presentation of evidence. You just show the documents to the prosecution. If they will not, then I will allow you to produce the testimony of the witness. But if they will admit it, which I think common sense will say that they will admit it, then that's the end of the matter.
We have pre-marked some of the documents already, Your Honor, but we wanted to elicit some important facts, Your Honor.
Then show it to them, and then elicit the facts that you want to elicit.
Yes,
further.
please, Your Honor. If the prosecution would agree to stipulate as to these documents, Your Honor, we would gladly do so, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. We are willing to stipulate.
We have pre-marked, Your Honor, some of
You
these
show the
documents.
to them, and find out whether those were the letter that was the letter sent by them to the witness, and whether those attachments were attached to the letter that they sent to the witness.
May we ask for a couple of minutes, Your Honor, to do so, please.
Session suspended for 1 minute.
Ang testigong nakasalang po ngayon ay ang administrador po ng Land Registration Authority, at ang purpose kung bakit po ito presenta ng depensa ay para daw po patunayan na bago pa po or pag nung nag-file ang prosekusyon ng kanilang articles of impeachment ay nangangalap pa rin po sila ng ebidensya laban kay Chief Justice Corona.
At ipinresinta nga nitong defense team itong request letter mula sa prosecution. Nagpapatuloy na po itong paglilitis, pagpapatuloy itong presentation ng evidence mula kay Attorney Diaz ng LRA.
May I make a manifestation, Your Honor?
Yes.
We admit that those documents were attached to the letter of Attorney Diaz to Congressman Tupas, Your Honor.
So there's no question about regarding the contents. Those were the same contents of the documents you attached to the letter.
Yes,
when
Your
it was-
Honor.
All right.
With the contents.
Yo pala. Oh.
Thank you. With that
Tapos
admission,
na.
Your Honor. May I proceed, Your Honor, please?
Proceed.
Ginoong Administrator, pagkatapos nyo bang naipadala itong liham nyo sa kay kagalang-galang na Congressman Neil Tupas, meron ba kayong nabalitaan kung I withdraw, Your Honor. Nung pinadala nyo yung liham na ito at mga dokumento kay Ginoong Tupas, meron pa ba ho kayong pinagbigyang ibang tao o institusyon?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
Sa kanya lang po ninyo ito pinadala, itong listahan ng merong 45 titulo na sinasabi nyong ay nakarehistro sa mga pangalan nila ni Renato Corona et al.
Opo, sa kanya po naka-address ang sulat na yan, Your Honor.
Opo. Pagkatapos nyo pong...
Wala kayong ibang binigyan binigyan ng kopya niyang sulat na yan ninyo kay Congressman Tupas.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
Pati yung mga attachment doon sa sulat ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Pagkatapos nyong pinadala ito, meron ba kayong nabasa sa dyaryo, narinig sa radyo, nakita sa TV, kung saan itong sulat nyo ay nakalagay?
That's material already, Your Honor.
Sustain. You better bring the newspapers and the radio clips. That's the best evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do so, Your Honor.
Unless you lay the basis to make this witness competent in testifying on that fact.
Ginoong Administrator, nung binigay niyo po ba itong sulat na ito, alam niyo po, nasuri niyo po bang kung sino-sino ang mga may-ari dito sa listahang ito?
Opo.
Masasabi niyo po ba na ang mga titulong ito lahat ay kay Ginoong Corona?
Certified copies po nakatouch, kung kaya the best evidence po, yun hong mga nakapangalan sa mga dokumentong yun po. So kung hindi ho sila nakapangalan, the best evidence po would be the document themselves po.
Sandali lang. Saan ba nang galing yung mga inatas mo na titulo ng lupa?
Sa computer-generated po sila from the different registries in NCR po.
Galing yan sa computer ng LRA.
Yes po, ng RDs po. Register of Deeds po,
Okay yan.
Your Honor. Yeah.
Galing yan sa computer ng Register of Deeds.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ipapoproduce natin yun, nandun yan, mga titulo na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
Dahil nasuri niyo po ang mga dokumentong ito, papakita namin po ang mga ilan dito at itatanong po namin sa inyo at pakisabi lamang. Una ho itong nasa listahang pangalawa, sa listahan nyo, na mayroong TCT number 58643 in the name of spouses Constantino L. Castillo and Rosenda A. Castillo. Ito ay namarkahan dati na bilang Exhibit 198 para sa depensa. Pakisuri lang ho ng maigi at meron po akong itatanong sa inyo tungkol dyan. Alam niyo, meron po ba kayong personal na kaalaman kung meron mang kaugnayan itong mga pangalang Constantino Castillo at Rosenda A. Castillo kay Pinunong Maestrado Renato C. Corona?
Wala po.
Wala. Meron ulit akong ipapakita sa inyo na isang titulo na nakalagay sa numero na nasa 10 numero sa mga listahang nilagay nyo. Ito ay yung TCT number 85804 na nasa pangalan pa ni Maria Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona. Pakisuri lang ho ng maigi ito. At ito ay namarkahan na dati bilang Exhibit 199 para sa depensa. Ano po ba ang estado na nitong titulong ito?
Cancelled po.
Cancelled. Pag sinabi niyo po bang cancelled, ano po bang ibig sabihin ito?
Maaari hong nailipat na sa ibang tao po.
Okay. Salamat po.
Your Honor, just to expedite the proceeding, we admit, Your Honor, the contents of the documents.
Will the good counsel, Your Honor, admit that there are documents here that are already cancelled, Your Honor? I would be happy to stipulate,
We
Your Honor.
admit, Your Honor.
The documents speak for themselves. Even if you do not show it to him, it will show there that was cancelled, even if he does not admit. So,
In
anyway,
that-
you can show it to him and